Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm gonna keep this intro nice and short. We just got Dawson out on Lake Wissota using some minnows to catch some big crappie. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, do all that fun stuff for Maverick. He wants it. Yeah. Enjoy the video. Oh, I still got him. Nice crappie right there. Kind of want to keep him today, so throw him on the old stringer. Fish on. I'm gonna cramp that. I will let this one go. Try and get a little bigger. There's another one, boys. Come on, yo. Throw that one on the stringer. Probably a good, like, 11 incher, maybe 12. Oh, shoot. There we go, got him. Let this guy go. A little bit more on the small side, we'll let him go away. Got him. Hit the camera. Another little guy. Fish on. What is this? Weird. Technically, I could keep this fish. God, he's got it in there good. It's a fish stick right there. That's what they make fish sticks out of. Every time I set the rod down, I swear. I'll keep that one. Why not? Another one, boys. Oh, this feels a bit better, maybe. Oh, it might be walleye.
fish. It's only 4-pound test. What the hell is this fish, dude? Please don't be a pike. I don't want to dick with a pike in here. Oh god, what the fudge? Guys, I hooked into something big. Oh my god, I think it's a really nice walleye. I think it is a SLAB jumbo walleye. Oh, it's a catfish. Alright, we got him in the boat. I don't have my pinchers, so I'm just grabbing them by the mouth with the pliers, eh? Just did my hook. That's not nice. Hey, come here, guy. God, I gotta get everything situated here fast, quick. Right. Just a little channel here. Fun little guy. Oh, yeah. Get him back here. There he goes. That was fun. Slimed up my line a wee bit though. That one took it way under. Just a baby. Just a little guy. Got hit again. There's a fish on it. Just doing a little dangle over the side. Just a wee bit of a dangle. Little Walter. Another little Walter. Giving it a dangle over the side. Ah, surprise me. Alright, camera was off. Got another decent crappie here. Oh, little guy, we'll let that one go away. Jesus. Just letting her dangle. The dangle's the way today. There's a fish. Little Walter. They have to be under 14 here, and that guy's under 14, so we're throwing him on a stringer. I just went and measured that little walleye over there just to make sure, and he's 13 3/4, so cut her close, but he's legal. Alright, y'all. I think that's gonna be it for this video. Ended with a little mixed bag, a few crappies and that one walleye. Catfish was fun to fight too, but you know, wish I could have got a few more walleye and a few more crappie to add, but it is what it is. So yeah, go hit that the old thumbs up button, you know. While you're down there, might as well just hit the old subscribe button and turn on that bell so you're notified whenever we post, you know, eh? Yeah, you betcha. Be safe out there, guys.